For sharing only my 1 peso collection, year 1907. 1 peso, Pilipinas. 1907, United States of America. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please follow me for more.